How to fix. Find My iPhone. Grayed out problem on iPhone. If the Find My iPhone option on your iPhone is grayed out, several steps can help resolve the issue. First, check your screen time restrictions by going to Settings, Screen Time, Content and Privacy Restrictions, and ensuring account changes is set to Allow. If your device is managed by an organization, go to Settings, General VPN, and Device Management to check for Mobile Device Management, MDM profiles that may restrict changes. Additionally, accept any pending iCloud terms by tapping your Apple ID in Settings and following the prompts. Signing out and back into your Apple ID can also refresh account settings. Simply go to Settings, tap your Apple ID, sign out, restart your phone, and sign back in. Ensure your device is updated to the latest iOS version under Settings, General Software Update, as updates often include bug fixes. Resetting network settings under Settings, General Transfer, or Reset iPhone. Reset network settings can also resolve glitches, though you'll need to reconnect to Wi-Fi afterward. Finally, check that low power mode is turned off in Settings, Battery, as it may limit some features. If the problem persists, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for assistance. At the end, if this guide was helpful, like, share, and subscribe.